Welcome to Medmart.com. I'm David Festman, our president, and I'm here to talk about one of the most exciting power mobility devices that's been invented in the past couple years. It's the Jazzy Carbon 27X. It only weighs 27.5 pounds, 275 pound weight capacity. Look how easy I can pick this up. It just comes right up. It's a very exciting product. It's very portable. It'll get you out and where you need to go. Let's get into the specs and some of the other details.
If you like the lightweight design of the Carbon 27, but want something that feels a little bit more capable and a little more confident, this is where the 27X really stands out. This is the Jazzy Carbon 27X. It keeps that lightweight, foldable carbon fiber design, but adds more stability and performance where it matters. At around 27.5 pounds without the battery, it's still incredibly portable and easy to transport. It uses an X-frame design that lets it fold down flat, so whether you're putting it in a car or storing it at home, it's simple and compact and ready to take wherever you go. You're getting a top speed of about 3.7 miles per hour in a range of up to 8 miles, so it's built for both everyday use and getting out a bit further. It just feels more planted and stable, especially when you're outside, going over uneven pavement or navigating busier environments. You've also got some really practical features built in, like a storage pocket in the seat back, a cup holder, adjustable footrests, and a programmable joystick that can be set up on either side. And it's airline compliant with a 10 amp hour battery, so it's still very travel friendly. So if you think about the lineup, the Carbon 27 is all about ultra light convenience, and the 27X gives you that plus, more stable, confident ride to make you feel great. This is a great fit if you're using the chair both indoors and outdoors. Want a little more control, comfort, but still need something you can fold up and take with you? If you're not sure which model is the right fit for your lifestyle, that's exactly what we're here for. Reach out to a Medmart product expert today. We'll walk you through your options and help you find the right chair for your own individual needs.